How to turn off call forwarding on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. So after click on supplementary services, so click on call forwarding. So after click on call forwarding, so after the process, so you will see click on always forward. So if you want to turn off always forward, so you will see. So if you want to turn off call forward, so now here showing you turn off. So you will click on turn off, you will see call forward is turn off. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can turn off call forwarding on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.